We are now starting on the 22nd line of the Gemara. The Gemara first quotes two dinim of Reish Lakish, and then the Gemara wants to prove Reish Lakish from our Mishnah, and now we're coming to disprove. The Gemara opens up with the word v'tizbara, and I'll bring you a disproof. Saya, boy, you wanted Saya to bring to bring a proof for Reish Lakish. Lo mistaya, it's not enough, the lo messiah, that you don't have a proof. Ella maksha nami kasha, but you even have a question on Reish Lakish. In fact, the Mishnah is really a question on Reish Lakish, as the Gemara explains. Taima, the reason, the reason why you were chayev, that if the one lying down kicked the one, damaged the one that was walking, is because he kicked. The diak is, the inference is, ha'huzka memela. But if the one that was walking got damaged by himself, let's say he just walked over the cow that was lying down, and then it got hurt, it got damaged just from walking on it without the animal on the ground kicking, the din is pater. That's the diak. Only if it kicked would the one that stopped, the animal that stopped, or the animal that's lying down, be chayiv. But if the animal that was walking got damaged by itself, it'd be pater. But that's the case of our Mishnah. Our Mishnah is talking about where the owner of the beam just stopped. He didn't purposely go into the owner of the barrel. The owner of the beam just stopped. Nevertheless, v'katani chayev, we learn that you're chayev. So this doesn't fit with Rabbi Yochanan, because this doesn't fit with Reish Lakish, because Reish Lakish would hold that the diak would be that you'd be pater only because you kicked. So the Gemara explains, the Gemara is now going to answer the question. It's not a question on Reish Lakish, because the Mishnah and the Reish Lakish are talking about different cases. The Mishnah Masnisin, the Paska La'archa Keshilda. The Mishnah is speaking is where he blocked the road with his beam, Keshilda, like a carcass. Something he crossed the road with his beam. The beam was perpendicular, and the owner of the barrel could not pass. So therefore, even though it was memela, the owner of the beam would be chayev. However, hacha by Reish Lakish, kagon the rava b'chad gisa, where the animal was fell on one side of the Rishus Harabim, and therefore he boile l'skuye b'idach gisa. The animal that was walking should have gone around him to the other side of Rishus Harabim. And now that it didn't, if it walked over it, and let's say it broke its leg by walking over the animal that's lying down, the owner of the animal that's lying down would be put, because he can say to the owner of the animal that was walking, you should have walked around.